Today, I will provide an overview of the 2024 two-page monthly automated Excel planner insert spreadsheet. This insert is meant to be set up in Excel. I will be doing the overview for the B6 wide size, but this overview applies to the other sizes for this planner style, which includes personal, HP mini, and pocket size. I hope to add junior or half size by the end of the month. If there is a size you think I should add, please let me know in the comment section. So without much further ado, let's begin. When you open your planner, it will look like this. First, let's go to the planner dashboard. It has 4 sections or pages: the cover, left month page, right month page, and the monthly overview page. First, let's review the features for the month page. Over here, there's a drop-down that allows you to select the month desired. When you select the month, the information on the planner changes. The holiday and the moon cycle are updated. Additionally, the week number on the first page is also updated. You also have the option of choosing your preferred holidays. The drop-down in the upper right-hand corner allows you to select the holiday of your preference. There are 3 holiday options available at this time: major holidays, Christian holidays, and Jewish holidays. So let's see how this works. I'm going to select the month that has a lot of holidays. I will choose the month of December. First, I will select Christian holidays, which is second on the list. As you can see, the holidays have been updated to showcase a lot of the major Christian holidays. Next, I'm going to choose the Jewish holiday option. Now the calendar has been updated to showcase the Jewish holidays, and I'm just going to put it back to the major holidays. The default font on this planner is black. You have the option of 2 category colors. Now let's see how it works. I will enter a bill and an occasion, and the font color will be black. Now I will change the drop-down option to colored font. When I enter my text, the color is burgundy and blue. Burgundy for bills and blue for special occasions. I will add a bill and vacation text. And there you go, the color has now changed. Note that it will not change the color of pre-existing text, and you have to update it manually. If you think I should add more color options and categories, let me know in the comment section. Now let's go over to the cover page. The cover page is also updated when you select the month. The month updates automatically, plus you get a different quote for each month. Now we're going to review the last page of this planner, and it's the monthly overview page. It's divided into 3 parts: major goals, important, and self-study. For the personal size and pocket, you will have a read section just because there was more space available, and so you have a section to put the book you want to read for that month. This is a great opportunity to have a focused plan for the month so that you can see what's important. Next, you want to print your calendar. I'm going to cut the calendar, and then I'll show you what it looks like once it's set up. This planner is very good if you like to plan on paper but do not always have a lot of time. It lets you streamline a lot of your planning. It's also good if you're a perfectionist and find yourself doing your monthly planner over and over again because you're not satisfied with how it looks. Also, you can print your planner multiple times. For example, you can have a business, personal, or faith planner all in one. And it gives you the option of choosing the holidays of your preference. I hope you like this planner. It's available currently in my Etsy shop. I have placed a link below in the description. Once again, I'm hoping to have more sizes by the end of the month. And if you need customizations, please feel free to contact me via Etsy. Additionally, I want to add that I hope to have my own website by the end of January, and I hope to add my products there as well. If you like this content, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.